open Ubuntu and paste this command. Put your password and wait for the script to be executed. It's going to download all dependencies, and then it's going to run Buildozer. On the end, it's going to stream your phone. And then if you want to hot reload your application, just come to this folder, Kivy School Hello, that has been created. Open the terminal and type Python uv run main.py. It's already hot reloading. So if you change the appearance of a button, let's say you change it for a label button, just press Ctrl S, and then it's going to hot reload on the phone and on the computer. If you want to change the configuration, go here to kivyreload.tumble, and here you can put the phone of your IP. Sorry, the IP of your phone. That's it.